Hi everyone. So today it will be just one more portion of bug fixing, and also we will implement a cooldown for our attacks. So let's go for it. I notice that sometimes just a moment. I noticed that sometimes if we are clicking on our enemy, our player not always attack it, but sometimes it's just move to this point. It's actually not this. Sometimes it's happens, sometimes not. So for example, like right now exactly, even if I click on our enemy, my player just walked to it closer. And to tell the truth, I don't know why it happens actually, but I would like to make some improvement, which I hope will help to avoid this or to minimize this. So let's do this. So, and actually right now I just noticed one more bug that when I would like to attack and then I cancel my attack by clicking somewhere else, we have here this null exception that we don't have an reference to instance of an object, which is very simple to correct. So just check here if target is equal to null, we will return. So this should uh, prevent this error. Okay. And so what about improvement of our code? First of all, I would like when we are stopping our attack, we reset a trigger attack and set a stop attack. But also I should reset a stop attack when I try to uh, attack when I try to attack one more time. Okay, sorry for uh, explanation like this, but so in combined behavior, I will just copy my set trigger attack, and I will change it for reset trigger stop attack, and we left set trigger attack like this, and we will just make this like separate method, which will we call, for example, um, set attack trigger. Triggers trigger. Mm, let's left it like this and say this. So the second improvement, which I hope will help to solve our problem with this attack or movement, that we will create a sorted raycast. Right now we just raycast everything, and at one time you could raycast more than one object. So we are checking. We could check another target that we want. So we would like to create. Well, I would like to create a sorted raycast. How we will do that? So we will create a new array. Raycast hit, raycast all sorted, and inside just copy that part of our code. Then we need to create array of distances. So float is equal to new float hits length, because we would like to create this new array of distances of the same length like our hits array. And then we will iterate it in for loop. For int is equal to e. No, for int e is equal to 0, and until e is less than hits dot length e plus plus. We will increment e by 1 every iteration. So distances is equal to hits e dot distance, like this. Then we will sort it our distances and hit. So for every distance will be created or will be sorted right hit object from our raycast. So, and like a result, we will return a closest object to our raycast, the first one which will be hitted. So to do that, yes, array sort array dot sort distances and hits and return hits. So in this method we just sorted our hits object which we hit it by distances, and the object which will be return it's the closest object to our mouth, to our ray. And now we just need to do like this. Okay, let's say this. Go back to Unity, and also actually the thing which maybe help to improve our attack, that I will increase a little bit a collider of our enemy. I do it in the prefab, so I do like this. Okay, let's hit play and let's look if it works. So at least we are attacking, and we'll see how it will continue. If we will find one more bug, we will see that later. So just one more quick update, quick bug fixing. I think actually I found a real problem what happened with our attack. So look at it. I will hit the play button, And if like my first click somewhere will be a movement like this, and then I will click to enemy to attack, everything works perfect. So, but if my first click in after hit play button will be an attack immediately like this, my player will just go somewhere else. And the problem actually is very simple, and this happened in our update method. When I like a first click in a game to our enemy, we activate our combat check, and we activate our attack method, but also in our movement check we don't use this input get mouse button down, we use just get mouse button. So this activate movement check as well, and then movement check just cancel my combat check. So really the simple fixing of this is just implement get mouse button down here as well. So let's say this. Let's hit play button, and now like first I will click to our enemy, and let's look if our player will go to it and will attack him. I think yes. Yeah, perfect. Now that works. Actually, I'm very happy that we solved that, because it was very unpleasant mistake for a game, but I'm happy that we did it. And also I promise that we will increment cooldown for our attacks, so let's go to it. So let's go to our fight script right now, and let's create a new serialized field, which will be float type, and it will be for example time or cooldown time is equal to 1f. And also let's create float variable time since last attack is equal to 0. And now first of all, we in our update method we should increase our time since last attack every update. So time since last attack plus equal time dot delta time. And then in the combat behavior, if we will check if cooldown time, no, if time since last attack is more than cooldown time, then we will set attack trigger like this, and also we will reset our time since last attack is equal to 0. And let's just move a little bit higher this. Look at method. Let's say this. And actually I would like to change also one more thing in our code. I just would like to inverse a little bit here a logic. So if in our update method, if we are not in attack range, so then we will move to it, and in other case we will cancel our movement and start our combat behavior. So just inverse this. Let's save it. Let's go back to Unity. I will choose our player, and here in fight script I have a cooldown time. Let's set it, for example, for 5 seconds, just for showing, for checking if it works or not. So we should wait for 5 seconds. Yeah, as you could see, cooldown time works, but I will set it for 1 second. Okay, and that's all for today. See you in the next video.